In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send a ticket to Apex Trader Funding. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up apextraderfunding.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. Then from here, it should bring something like this. From here, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. And from here, you'll need to click on this right here where you can see contact support 24/7 via help desk. Once you do that, a new tab will pop up where you'll see the help center. Now, to send in a ticket, you'll simply need to scroll down until you see can't find what you're looking for. Our team is expert here to help you. From here, you'll simply need to click contact us, and then you can submit a request. From here, you'll need to enter your email address, the specific category that your ticket support is about, and you'll need to enter your subject. Down here, you'll also need to enter your description, where you will tell more about what your problem is with Apex Trader Funding. Once you've done that, you can also attach pictures to your ticket, but once you're done, you'll simply need to click submit, and then you'll get an email from Apex Trader Funding that they have received your ticket and will be responding as soon as possible. But that's how you do it. If you have no questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!